Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Kraken app to your bank account. So first open the Kraken app and log in into your account. After that, go here and select Portfolio. Next, tap Transfer at the bottom, then choose Withdraw Cash or Crypto. Under Cash, select your currency. For example, I will choose Euro. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose the bank account you want to send it to. If your bank is already linked, just select it. If not, tap and add a new withdrawal method. Choose an option like SEPA or SEPA Instant, enter your IBAN, and add a nickname for the bank account. And then confirm the details. Quick note, make sure that the name on your bank account match your Kraken account. Otherwise, the withdrawal may fail. After that, select the bank account, enter the amount again, and tap Withdraw. Your withdrawal will now be processing. You can check the status under Activity, and it may take a little time to complete. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.